We know that we are super vulnerable people on internet. Why don't you tell me how vulnerable are you? Are you just using social media or any free app from Play Store? Or you just watching this video on YouTube? Have you ever wondered why we are able to use these services for free? If not, then you are at right destination. Hey everybody, welcome to Youth Destination. This is me, Rahul Best. Let's begin this video. In the digital world, data is money. It means if you have data, then you have money to trade on internet. For example, before you make any account on Facebook, YouTube or any other social media, you always have to click on I agree with terms and conditions to successfully create your account. Have you ever read the terms and conditions before clicking on I agree button? If not, then I urge you to go and read the page first, because in that agreement they all have stated indirectly that we will use and save your data. So if you think you are not paying for their services, then I'm afraid you are wrong. It is only just you are not paying them money directly, however, you are paying them from other means. You are not only giving them your personal information such as your name, your age, but also your time and all information such as your recent surfing activities and your cookies, which worth more than just money. Now I'm sure you are thinking it is just a data. What can they do with your data? So there are n number of possible ways to use your data. Using analytics, they can find out what a particular country thinks as a whole, or simply they will analyze your data and show you only specific content to change your thought process. And who knows, they may be making your mirror profiles on backend. If they had, it means they know you more than you know yourself. So everything you do on surface internet, it is not private and anonymous. So what is privacy and how it is different from anonymity? Privacy is the ability of an individual or group to seclude themselves or information about themselves and thereby express themselves selectively. In simple words, it means no one knows what you do. For example, when you enter your office, people can see that you entered the office, but they don't know what you do inside your computer. Hence, you have attained the privacy at office. On other side, anonymity describes the situation where acting person's identity is unknown. In simple words, it means people can see what you do, but they don't know who you are. For example, you put a mask on and you enter a bank and start doing robbery. Now people can see you are robbing the bank, but they don't know who you are. So in privacy, the activity is unknown, and in anonymity the person is unknown. So probably your next question would be how to attain anonymity and privacy on internet. Fortunately, to become anonymous on internet we have many softwares as well as operating systems. Best ones are Tor browser, Tails OS, Qubes OS and VPNs. So what is Tor? Tor is an internet browser used to surf internet anonymously. It is a modified version of Firefox ESR which is being used in Kali Linux. It is created with a belief that internet users should have private access to uncensored web. The goal of onion routing was to have a way to use internet with as much privacy as possible, and the idea was to route traffic through multiple servers and encrypt it each step of the way. This is how Tor works today. Now it has become the world's largest tool for privacy and freedom online. Best part is it can be installed in any operating system and you can download it from any country, even if it is censored in your country. Next we have Tails OS and Qubes OS. Tails is a live amnesiac operating system that protects against surveillance and censorship. Amnesiac means it always starts empty and leaves no trace when you leave. Everything you do on the internet from Tails goes through the Tor network. Tor encrypts and anonymizes your connection by passing it through 3 relays. Relays are servers operated by different people and organizations around the world. You can avoid censorship because it is impossible for a censor to know which website you are visiting. Hence, it is more secure. On the other hand, Qube is an operating system designed to improve security by compartmentalization. It has hypervisors so that you can create different virtual machines in Qube OS. In short, Qube OS is more secure and private than Tails OS. Then we have VPNs, a virtual private network. It gives you online privacy and anonymity by creating a private network from a public internet connection. VPN mask your internet protocol address so your online actions are virtually untraceable. Most important, VPN services establish secure and encrypted connection to provide greater privacy than even a secured Wi-Fi hotspot. At last, to attain privacy, we have to encrypt files. So there are two types of encryption: symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption. I will not go deep into these topics in this video, otherwise the video will be too long. If you want to learn how to use and configure Tor browser, TailOS, Qubes OS, VPNs, or you want to learn how to encrypt files and pen drives, let me know in the comment box. If you like this video, please thumbs up so that we can know you are liking the videos, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you keep receiving updates from us.